do what I don't like. I want to live freely.
Same here. Hold on, wait. Alright, that should be better. Y'all couldn't really hear the thing. Y'all couldn't hear the game. Well, yeah. Slow Jurassic Park is here. There's nothing. Charger. And I'm going for the gate ending. So I need all this stuff. Okay.
How could you not see that?
Okay. There's nothing in here. And there's usually nothing in this drawer. But I just check it anyway. Didn't hear it whenever I cut the cameras. But the mom's going to water the Christmas tree. What's that?
Come on, keep your head up!
I need to play the smoke screen.
You know what? Let's see if you can do it.
I need to do a run and jump into the hay!
I did it. I did it. Okay, that was my first time doing the glitch, so.
Where do you think you're going? I need to run quickly.
Jump. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Escape on normal mode. Okay, that was the video for today. It was a quick one, but yeah, hopefully y'all liked it. So make sure you subscribe, and goodbye.